Hey guys, hello. It's a beautiful Sunday today, and so I've been so busy, like going out of the house in the morning, coming late at night. I have not had time for a lot of things that I used to do. So today I have decided that I just woke up. I said, no, it's a cold day, but I just told myself, you know what? I'm going to do something today among what I have been planning to do that I never did. Oh, I've been having it in mind to make this yummiest Ogbono soup. Yummiest. Because I'm going to take this off. I can't possibly wear this in the kitchen because it's going to be too much on me while I do those plenty work. So I'm going to take this off, wear something simpler, and we go to the kitchen. But meanwhile, before then, let me introduce myself to you just in case you're new here. My name is Pearl. Thank you for stopping by. Please consider to hit on the red subscribe button right there on your screen. And also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload videos, you'll get notified. Okay? So, like I said, my name is Pearl. On this channel, though I've not been regular, but I'm just gonna try my best. But I'm waiting for a very like I'm waiting for a time that I will have all the time and all the beautiful scenes for you guys, and that time is going to come pretty soon. I hope by then nothing will stop me from doing vlogs every day. I'm not telling you what when the time is, but it's gonna come soon. And when that time comes, you're gonna see everything boom 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 boom. Okay, so anyways, on this channel we talk, my main goal for this channel is to talk about marriage, like how to um work on your marriage life, like how to make marriage beautiful, how to make marriage enjoyable, how to have a happy home, like a lovely family, husband, mother, a wife, kids, and all of that. Then how to resolve conflict in the home, how to address issues to make sure that they don't lead to um, big pain and dichotomy, to make sure that the family setting is just the best place to be, the safest place to be. And alongside, I also teach women how to make sure they do their part to be good and to groom their homes, to make sure that they have the best home, how to raise their kids as well. Like, not I'm not teaching you how to raise your kids, but like just giving you some other parenting tip that if you add to whatever you have known would yield positive outcome. You want to have beautiful kids, obedient kids, kids that you can be proud of at any time. So I do that. Then, in order not to make this station too boring, sometimes we do makeup, sometimes we cook, and sometimes we do vlog. Like, I'm not really good at vlog, but I know I'm going to be good at it because come 2023, a particular time, hopefully, we just everything is going to be vlog. Vlog. But in my vlogs, trust me, I'm still going to be talking about the main goal for this channel: family life, marriage. So we're still going to be doing it. Maybe by then I'll be doing vlogs every day, but I'll be doing that family discussion once in a week. By that time you guys will get tired of me because I will just be giving you back to back. What? I don't join them. What? Anyways, guys, so let's go to the kitchen. Let me show you what I'll be making today. But before then, I have to take this off and just wear something simple. And of course, my apron. My cap is going to remain because um you have to cover your hair when you're in the kitchen, right? So watch me. Boom. So guys, these are the items I will be using. That's my smoked mackerel fish, grinded crayfish, low cost beans, smoked barracuda fish, and my nicely cleaned cow skin, and my ogbono. Also, my meat that I marinated for like 1 week with garlic, ginger, pepper, onions, maggi, and salt. I kept it in the fridge overnight, then I transferred it to the freezer the next day. And that's my stockfish, my pepper, and my palm oil from Nigeria. So guys, let's go cooking. Here I'll put the meat in the pot first to cook up a bit in its own juice from the herbs, and I'll let that stay a while until it absorbs the nutrient. And this is my ogbono. I'll be putting some palm oil to let it melt and mix up or mix well. And here this is boiling. I'm going to be adding the cow skin. You all know cow skin is very tough as much as goat meat. I don't know why I didn't put it from the start. Anyway, this is nicely cooked now, like very well cooked. So tasty. The aroma It's something undescribable. So I'll be adding some water. Of course, I need a lot of water for my soup. And I will let that cook while I add the stock fish, the barracuda fish, so that everything can, done nicely. This barracuda is to die for. Trust me, you can only get this in Akwa Ibom State and in Delta State, but it's yummy. So that's some more pepper just to add, and salt and seasoning. I already put enough habanero peppers with the chicken. Oh, sorry, with the meat. So here's me swagging for you in the kitchen. And so this is cooked, like nicely cooked, soft. The aroma in this kitchen is something. Oh, and of course, my mackerel went in last. Mackerel doesn't have strength, so you put it last so that you don't get pieces. And my crayfish follows. I did add a lot of crayfish because it's a lot of ogbono. Like, this is a big pot of soup, trust me. And my locust beans will go in next so that everything can done very well and mix up. Get to know each other. Hey, that kind of thing, right? So this soup is, ooh la la, the best ever. Trust me. So right now we're putting the ogbono, and I'll let that boil and mix thoroughly. So putting them, and unfortunately when I added leaf, I did not know. I did not remember to make a video. I thought I did, but here's my soup already plated. You can tell from the look that this is gonna be super yummy, guys. And that's my cabbage swallow, cabbage and oatmeal blended and turned. Tastes so good. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What you think about this my soup. If you want to try something like this, and just give those love and like. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye.